Hello, my name is Dade Butler. I am the lead customer service agent for Page Optimizer Pro, and today we're going over how to fill out the bulk runs template sheet. When you are in the All Projects area, you can navigate to the bulk runs menu via the account dropdown. From here, simply select bulk projects and you will be taken to the bulk runs menu. However, whenever you are in All Projects, you can also select this Bulk Runs menu to be taken to the same area. Once you have selected Bulk Runs or Bulk Projects, then in Step 1, you will find the download for the Excel template right here. When you select the text, it will then open up Microsoft Excel and bring you to the Bulk Run template. If you do not have access to Microsoft Excel, you can always open any Excel document inside of Google Sheets. When in Google Sheets, open up a brand new blank sheet and then select File. From here, click Open and then select Upload. Then browse or drag a file there, selecting your Bulk Run template, and then Open will open up the Bulk Run template sheet inside of Google Sheets. Today, however, we're going to be filling out the Bulk Run template sheet inside of Microsoft Excel. Inside of row 1, for each column, every single column will have a name. If there is a star or a asterisk next to that name, that is a required field in order for your bulk report to successfully generate. If two of your reports have a shared project name, then they will be both created inside of the same project. If the project name field is filled out with an existing project's name, then the page will be inserted into the existing project. That is to say, if, for example, I had project number 1 as an existing project within my account, then the page would be created inside of the existing project rather than creating a new one. First, let's fill out our project name. I enjoy the name project number 1, so next let's move on to column 2 or column B, which is our page name field. I will be naming one of these pages Home and the other one Away. Inside of column 3, we have the target URL column. Filling out our desired target URL and specifying the page path, it will run the free on-page SEO checker page as well as the Page Optimizer Pro homepage. After that, we have column D. If we mark this as true, then it will create a page that has been marked as I haven't built this page yet. Inside of column E, we have our keyword specifier. This is the primary keyword for this particular page run. We can see that row 3 is on-page SEO tool and row 4 is on-page SEO. In column F, this is our first unrequired column. If we insert variations into this column, our Page Optimizer Pro report will generate with these variations inside guaranteed. If in the very rare occasion, the Page Optimizer Pro tool has not found variations for your particular target keyword, then it will insert these variations into your report. For G, this is our language column. We can specify English, French, Spanish, German, as well as any of the other 60 languages inside of Page Optimizer Pro. In column H, we have special language support. This is useful for languages that combine nouns and adjectives, such as Chinese or Thai. After that, we have column I. This lets Page Optimizer Pro know the exact location or server we would like them to use for our reports. So, column 3 will generate in the United States, but I would like column 2 to generate in Australia. In column J and K, we can ask the tool to generate Google's NLP or EEAT information for our reports. Selecting either will consume additional credits in order to perform these particular bulk run reports. For Google NLP, it costs 2 POP credits per report generated with Google's NLP. For EEAT, this costs 1 pop credit per report generated with this information. We're going to leave both of these set to true. Inside of column L, we can insert competitor URLs that we would like Page Optimizer Pro to use as competitors for our page. If you care about what competitors are being compared to your pages, this is a wonderful column for you. However, if you would like Page Optimizer Pro to choose competitors for you, then say yes inside of the N column. In column M, we can specify the focus competitor URLs we would like Page Optimizer Pro to use. In column O, we then begin on our AI writer setup. With the new bulk reports inside of Page Optimizer Pro, you can automatically generate in bulk any AI article that you want. In column O, we let the tool know if we would like an AI writer article to be generated with this particular report. Setting this to no, you're disabling it. Setting it to yes, you're enabling it. Before we proceed, it's important to understand that the AI writer will still cost you pop credits. That cost is 4 pop credits per 1,000 words that you ask the AI writer to generate. You can generate as few as 500 words and as many as 4,000. Today, we're going to ask the tool to generate a 2,500 word article and a 3,000 word article. Next, we're asking the AI writer to generate enriched content for us. This includes things like bold terms, italic terms, images, forms, lists, tables, FAQ, etc. It is important to understand that if you ask the bulk report to generate lists, tables, FAQ, meta description, introduction paragraph, or a conclusion paragraph, that all of these will cost an individual 1 pop credit. So if I ask the AI writer to generate an introduction paragraph as well as a conclusion paragraph, that will cost me 2 additional pop credits total. However, if you have the GPT-4 API access key, then the total is reduced to 1 pop credit. So if you ask the AI writer to generate 5,000 words, and you ask it to generate every single one of these enriched content pieces that cost credits, it will still, in the end, cost you only 1 pop credit total. That is a wonderful discount, and I strongly encourage you pursue it. Now, going over how to fill the lists column. When filling out the lists column, it is important to separate your list items by a semicolon. If you do not, it will add as a giant list. When you are filling out the tables column, this is column V, you want to do the same thing. You want to provide it details as to what you would like a table created for. Then, if you would like additional tables to be created, you must specify by using a semicolon. For each table in each list generated, it will cost an additional pop credit. So take that into consideration when setting up your bulk reports. Moving on to FAQ, you must insert information that you would like that particular FAQ to generate. You can specify up to 5 total questions for the AI to answer. If you use an excess number of questions, like for example, if you insert 6 total questions, it will still only answer 5 of them. So be very careful when inserting your questions into this column. Moving on to the AB column, this is the tone column. Here, we can specify the tone that we would like the AI writer to write with. We can have it write in a formal manner, an informal manner, a stoic manner. Maybe we want it to write in a precise manner. The choice is yours, but please specify it inside of the AB column. Inside of the AC column, this is the author column. We specify the perspective that we would like the AI writer to write from. So we can ask it to write from the perspective of a plumber, an SEO expert, a digital marketing expert. We can ask it to write from the perspective of a roofer, a lawyer. We can ask it to write from the perspective of a customer service agent, for example. Whatever perspective you would like it to write with, specify it inside of the author column. With the AD column, this is the brand column. We can specify what particular brand the AI writer is writing for. It will automatically insert whatever you specify as the brand occasionally into the AI article. Once you are satisfied with the information inside of your bulk run template sheet, you will then want to save your bulk run template sheet, selecting Browse Files, then select your edited bulk run template sheet, open, and then start bulk run. It will give you an estimation for how many credits that your particular bulk run is going to cost. Once you have reviewed it, if you're satisfied, select Yes. And with that, our bulk runs are now generating. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and as always, happy optimizing!